Well, good day, friends. We just made a run down from Edmonton to Drumheller, and we're dropping into the Badlands right now. This is one of my favorite parts of the province. Just feast your eyes on this scenery as we wind our way down the hill, and at the bottom of the hill is a little ferry across the Red Deer River. So we'll take that ferry and then we'll head up the other side. This is day one of a trip that I've put together. We're actually going to head to Cypress Hills after this, probably tomorrow, and then eventually we'll turn around and head our way west towards Vancouver. But for now, have a look at that. You haven't seen scenery like that before. That's pretty incredible. To think this was all carved out by the Red Deer River millenniums ago. Very interesting topography. The ferry's just up ahead of us here at the end of this straightaway. Look at that, eh? See if the ferry's on this side of the river or the other side of the river. Nope, other side. We'll have to wait. I'd imagine she can only get 9 or 10 cars on there with a female operator today. She said it's been quite busy actually for a Saturday. You can see there now the ferry's moving. It's coming across. Only takes 2-3 minutes tops to cross from side to side. Every time I come this way, I don't understand why the provincial government has put a bridge in here. It's such a short little span. But this ferry's been going for a long time. It goes year round. Getting out. We're all going to have to get back in their vehicles in about 30 seconds. So we'll have to sit here and wait for them to all get back in their vehicles again and then come off the ferry before we can get on. Here's a great way to spend a summer evening. Kayaking down the river.